A hood finished in complete carbon, a wing bigger than you would ever see on a sports car conventionally. Side skirtings to make the car go as wild and wide as it gets. And an interior that is nothing less than a UFO. For all the car guys across the country, you must be knowing what the AMG GT Black Series is, and especially a car like this is limited to only 2 across the country. And both being sold out, it is tough to get your hands on a car which you like so much. Here at Big Boy Toys, we solve that problem of yours by helping you with the AMG GTS, kitted with a Black Series kit on it, fitted exemplarily well and available at Big Boy Toys right at your fingertips. Come, let me show you around and show you what the car looks like. Now when we talk about a Black Series AMG GT, the things that make the standard GT stand different from the Black Series are a couple of things which make the difference quite significant. Starting off first, we have got a hood finished in carbon that has got the scoops right here, has got the vents right here, that is meant for the right heat exchange so that the heat inside the car is absolutely maintained and controlled. What's unconventional is the side vents present on both left and right side of the car that again is meant for the right heat exchange. Now what's more different in this car compared to the other sports cars out there is the iconic long hood that's been placed upon the car. So across the AMG GT series, you talk about the GT convertible, you talk about the GTS, the AMG GTR, the long hood is what makes the car look the appealing of all. And if you try to run comparisons of this car with the current day sports cars, you'll see there is none that's being produced in the current day that even stands close to what the body design on this car looks like. Now with the kit being installed upon the car, the front and the rear are not the only 2 sides of the car that need to look aggressive, for which the side profile gets added upon with the side skirts that are finished in carbon that give the car a very wide look and at the same time makes the car look really aggressive. While the kit installation was being performed upon the car, we made sure that the contrast on the car sits just right, for which we have done the wheels in complete gloss black and the calipers for the same being done in yellow. And to give the contrast inside of the interiors, we have done seat belts finished in yellow that make the car look as sharp as it possibly can. And now for how aggressive the car looks from the front and the rear, here comes the appealing part of the car. The rear end of the car comes with a big spoiler, and that is dedicatedly meant only for the Black Series, which has been sourced along with the kit and installed upon the car. Now if we go a little lower, you see quad tips. That is for the exhaust, and the exhaust is again done by us, which is again a Valvetronic functionability exhaust that gets aligned to the modes available inside the car, which is Sport, Sports Plus, Race and Race Plus, making the car change its exhaust note with every mode shift that you make. Now with the rear diffuser that the car has, the car looks absolutely aggressive. Combining it with the quad tip exhaust, the rear spoiler, the diffuser, it becomes a deadly combo for a car, especially when it is equipped upon a car which is as competitive as the GTS. What if I told you the car is actually white and not black? You might not believe with the finish that we have given to the car. Now let me bring you up close to the car and show you what the quality of the colored PPF that has been done in-house at our Big Boy Toys modifications department. At our in-house division of Big Boy Toys modifications, it just doesn't end with the PPF that has been installed upon the car. From anything to everything that you can possibly think of putting upon your car, be it the wheels, be it the paint, be it the peelable PPF, be it the kits, or be it anything that you can possibly browse off or think of, Big Boy Toys can do that for you. So for all the new age men who are looking for a car that is just right on the soul and the power and the grunt inside it, I think it doesn't get any better than the GTS, given it comes with a Black Series kit equipped with it. Now if we talk about the interior, the way it has been designed, it is more like a UFO. And believe you me when I say that, I haven't been personally inside of a sports car that has got a better looking interior, with those 4 vents finished around and in carbon fiber, and the center console finished in carbon fiber, and the seats upholstery not moving an inch after being used for a couple of years. And that says all about the quality of the German manufacturer. Now one thing that Mercedes has done quite quirkily back in the day when it came to their sports cars, which was the roof part of it. While looking at the interior while you're driving it, you might feel the car's too tight when you have got no sunroof inside it and the cars are non-convertible. All the sports cars at the end of the day start feeling a little claustrophobic inside it, where Mercedes did the job pretty well by resolving the issue by installing a moonroof, which is absolutely unconventional in the current day. Now enough of talking about how the car looks like, what the car is, what the kit is on the car. A lot of you might feel interested towards buying one or getting your car modified by Big Boy Toys Modifications. So the next thing that possibly can be parked at your own garage can be this AMG GT with the Black Series kit, and where you can get it is Big Boy Toys, and you can be the next superstar to get your own supercar.